Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to manually check for system software updates, how to enable automatic updates and how to turn them off. So first of all, settings. Then in settings we need to scroll all the way down to system and update menu. And at the very top we have software update. We have a red dot here. It means that there is something worth our attention. And when we tap here, we can check our software updates if they are available. As you can see now, I'm not connected to the internet, but the option will be here. And we can update it or not. And next, here we have auto update options hidden in this menu right here. And that's all. Goodbye.